Hey everyone, Ahmet here with Down to Trade. It's Monday, August 29th, 2022, and there's a lot to talk about. Sorry I haven't really made a video in several weeks, but I finally got my studio computer fixed and we're back up and running with these videos, so where to begin? I'm not even really sure where we left off with my last video, so I'll just start by giving you an update on August. After a less than great kickoff in the month of July, I'm happy to report that August has been a great month. Including today, we've traded 16 days this month, 14 of which were profitable. So we're up 9.3% return for the month with a daily win rate of 88%. Looking at a per spread basis, of the 20 spreads we entered, 18 of them were profitable, giving us a per spread win rate of 90%. Now keep in mind, our win rate goal is 80%, so I'm very happy with the results so far. By the way, at the end of July, I went through my trades and I began to analyze what went wrong. It was my worst month of the year so far. I essentially broke even. I came to the conclusion that once again my psychology was greatly skewed. I was trying to have a first great month for the official Down to Trade room that I was so scared to lose. I was so scared of losing that I began doing things I've never done before. I began moving stops. I'd take profit way too quickly. I'd roll spreads when I shouldn't have. All because I didn't want to lose, because I didn't want a negative equity line. And of course, it cost me. My fear of losing is eventually what led to me losing. Now, at the beginning of August, I did discuss this with the traders in the trade room, and we decided just to stick to the basics. Get back to the basics. Uh, you know, don't try to outsmart the market. And we started August with a cleared slate, psychologically speaking. Now, looking at our expected return graph, we started August almost 5% down below our expected return line, um, which was not good. That's not where I wanted to be. But we've it looks like we've closed that gap, or we just about closed that gap here in August, and we'll likely be above it come September. And look, I'm not a big fan of being below this line. Um, yeah, that doesn't happen very often. But like I said, July was just one of those months where I was just getting things kicked off with the new trade room, and I let it get to me a little bit. But we're back on track. By the way, a quick update, which I announced in the Down to Trade room. I've actually decided to switch my accounts back to Thinkorswim. Now, yes, I do realize I wasn't really singing their praises last year after a string of bad fills. However, they still have a very, very powerful platform when it comes to customizing orders. As many of you already know, I'm currently with Tastyworks, and they're absolutely fantastic when it comes to user interface. And they really present so much relevant information on your screen that it makes your trade analysis much faster and easier. That said, my biggest gripe with Tastyworks, in fact, my only gripe with Tastyworks, is the inability to set an OCO bracket on the entire spread, not just one leg at a time. Therefore, I have decided that the smart move is to make the switch back to Thinkorswim. Now, if in the future Tastyworks does offer this feature, I will certainly revisit the decision at that time. But for now, I'm confident this is the smart move for the room. And to address the concerns I had last year regarding the bad fills, well, several traders in the trade room are using Thinkorswim right now, and they are getting filled at the same prices and same times that I've been in Tastyworks. I don't know what actually caused the issues I was having last year, but it seems like they're no longer occurring. So now, if you want to learn more about the Down to Trade room, visit us at down2trade.com. Now, our 50% promotion is still going on, so you can still lock in your discounted membership fee for the entire life of your membership. Now, we typically trade only 4 days a week, so we usually choose one day every week not to trade based on scheduled news events. On average, our time spent in a trade is roughly just under an hour, so we're often done trading by 10:30 a.m. By the way, I think we've had enough time to work out all the bugs with the trade room. So that said, we will no longer be putting anyone on a wait list to be granted access to the trade room. Meaning, once you become a member, you will receive instant access to the Down to Trade room. No more beta room. This is full access Down to Trade room. And as promised, our free courses are coming soon. Anyways, if you got anything from this video, don't forget to smash that like button and the subscribe button. Also, give us a quick thumbs up, because apparently, for some reason, YouTube likes us more if you do that, or something like that. Anyways, if you have any questions, feel free to contact us at support@down2trade.com. Other than that, I'm looking forward to the last 2 trading days of August and can't wait to see what September has in store for us all. Anyways, take care, everyone. Happy trading.